Hey guys, by the way, I do not have the rights to the music in the background, okay? Let's get that out of the way. Now, this is a 2019 BMW 340i. And it's very simple to take the sweep off without removing any screws or removing the door panel or anything like that. But I know some of you guys are having problems to put this sweep back and then put the door panel over it. So I'm gonna do a quick video over here just to show you how to do it, okay? Of course, to put it back is just do the same operation backwards. Don't forget to put this cap back over here. And then when the time comes for you to put this lip, because what happened is, if you can show you over here, this lip needs to go inside of that groove over there. And that's where some of you are having a problem, because this lip is pretty high and it's hard to get back inside. It's hard for you to twist enough to get it back inside. Okay, so here's what I do, and you can see that this tool is quite used already because I do this a lot, okay? And this is the tool that I use to do this. If you come around over here, you're gonna be able to show this. What I do over here, I'll move the door panel a little bit that way, and I'll come all the way to the end with this tool. You see how it already lifted that lip? So here's what I do. I'll bring the tool out at the same time that I'm bringing the door panel out, okay? So now that edge is already in. You can see over there, that edge is in. If I let the edge go, it's gonna slip out of that groove again. So what I'll do over here, I'll come over here again, and I'll bring this tool up, and I'll bring the door panel together with it. Now, 1/4 of the door panel, it's back in place. I'll lift it again, and I'll pull it, and then I'll lift it again one more time, and I'll pull together. So I'm pulling the tool and the door panel at the same time. Guess what? It's in place. Okay? So that's how I do it, right? I hope that helps somebody out there. Bye-bye.